Hello everyone. First of all, I'd like to thank our conference committee for accepting our paper. Let me introduce myself. My name is Noor Hasimah Ibrahim Teo, a senior lecturer at Universiti Teknologi Marayu ITM. Another author is Noor Hazirah binti Muhammad Rosli. What I'd like to present to you today is a project entitled Market Basket Analysis using APRIORI algorithm. Grocery items recommendations. I have divided my presentations into 4 main parts, which is introductions, related work, methodology, and results. Okay, let me start with the introductions. Okay, the background of the study is about grocery shopping. So what about it? It always happens that when we go shopping, we always forget what to buy. Even sometimes we already have prepared a list of items to buy. We still forget. Okay, so it is quite challenging sometimes when you want to try to recall what you want to buy when you already reach the grocery store. Okay, that is the problems that we're going to solve. So therefore, we are proposing a recommended system that can suggest items to be bought together with the item that already in a list. Sometimes we already have a list, but still that there's some missing item that we forgot to put inside the list. So this recommender will help us to recommend that the item we always bought together with the one that we already listed in our grocery list. So we implement a market basket analysis for this work, particularly using APRIORI algorithm. So this is the related work. So a few related work, there's a lot more actually. So this is most recent one. So we have the Smart Shopping List application by Jaya Willal. Okay, so this application actually generate an item recommendations and store finder that they help you to find the store, nearby store with a geolocation functions. The second one is the Smart List application. It's quite similar name to the first one by Katuk. Okay, so but this one is just for the out of stock reminder. They help you to remind what are the items that may be out of stock in your house. Okay. The third one is the Digital Grocery List, DGL application by Heinrich. This is the autocomplete list. This actually will help in typing when you want to type something. Maybe you didn't know the exact name or something. When you type several characters, then it help you to autocomplete typing. Yeah. Next one is the List It application. The List It application function suggested by Adaji. Okay, this one allow user to pick whatever product they want from a list of options, but this one need you to have a very huge database. Means that you need to have a list of items that available in the store. Only then you can help them to pick up whatever items that you like. Okay, next one is the methodology. Okay, first we need to have a data set. Okay, so we need to load the item into the data set. So in this project, we have used a 6 month of grocery bills from one restaurant actually. So we want to know what they always bought every month. So we have gathered a 6 month grocery bills for this one. And then we need to add the item into the list, okay, and we process it using a priori algorithms and provide the recommendations to the user. Okay, so what is the a priori algorithms? A priori algorithms is actually an associations rules mining. Okay, you want to actually to cater what is the association between items A and items B. Okay, so the rule suppose that if item A being bought, then the chances of item B being bought is found. We know that if this is we bought item A, we know what is the chances of item B being bought. So this is will be based on the data set, the history of the grocery bills that we had. Okay, so this item must be bought together under the same transaction ID, means in one bills. Normally, if you buy A, is it that we buy B together? So that's what it means in one transactions. Okay, there are three levels measure of predictive ability of the rules: support, confidence, and leaf correlation. So what is it? Support actually is a frequency of item bought over all transactions. Okay, so all transactions here in our case is 6 months bill. Okay, support A means that A and B is actually is item. Support A means that how many times that we have bought item A in the whole transactions. Support A means that A and B means that how many times that we bought A and B together. Okay, confidence means that how often item A and B bought together based on the number of A being bought. Okay, so we represent it using support A and B divide by support A. So that is the formula to calculate confidence. The third one is a leaf or correlations. So this one is to measure the confidence of A and B over number of B being bought. So the formula that we use is confidence A and B divided by support B. Here is the result that we get. So the leaf value, we have item 1, item 2, and the leaf value. So the item actually in the Malay language, okay, the first one is an onion. Okay, actually is an onion, the 500 gram of onion with the chicken, okay, fresh chickens. So the leaf value is 1.14. So these are all the confidence, like the leaf value or correlations value for the associations between item A and item 1 and item 2. So what does this result indicate? Greater leaf value indicates stronger associations. Okay, the greater the value, it means that the stronger associations. Okay, means that they're most likely to be bought together. So any rules with leaf value less than 1 does not indicate a recommended item, means that they are unrelated item. Okay, less than 1 means that unrelated item. Okay, last but not least is the conclusion. So this work has implemented a market basket analysis approach for grocery item recommendations. Based on the past grocery purchase, we use a 6-month bills for this for the APRIORI algorithm. So the result of utilizing the APRIORI for market basket analysis reveals that it can successfully recommending the item set based on the past grocery purchase data set. Here is the end of my presentations for today. So the work is on the recommender systems to recommend the item that need to be bought together using associations rules from market basket analysis using APRIORI algorithms. So any feedback, comment, and questions is much appreciated. You can contact me on the email address here. Okay, so thank you for listening. Thank you very much, everyone.